All right, let's move to question 10. It says Ajoke will be 31 years in X years time. If Ajoke is 6 years older than Chioma, find an expression for Chioma's present age. So Ajoke, let Ajoke's age be A. In X years time, that means plus X. For example, if Ajoke is 10 years, in X years time, that means you are adding X to the age she is now. For example, if I say in 5 years time, Ajoke will be 15, that means 10 plus 5. Because if she's 10 years now, in 5 years time, the age will increase by 5. So this is Ajoke's present age plus the number of years, which is the X, will give us 31 years. Now, for me to know Ajoke's present age will be 31 years minus X. Now, this is an expression for Ajoke, but that's not where we are going. We are told that find an expression for Chioma's present age. Now, if Ajoke is 6 years older, that means Chioma will be 6 years younger. For example, if I say I'm 6 years older than you, whatever my age is, for me to get your own age, I will subtract 6 from it. So Chioma will be 31 minus X minus 6. Because Ajoke is 6 years older than it. That means Chioma is 6 years younger than Ajoke. So this becomes Chioma's expression for Chioma's age will be 31 minus 6. That's 25. That's 25 minus X, which is option A.